How to create AI images in Gemini. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI images in Google Gemini. First, open your web browser and go to Gemini by visiting gemini.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're in Gemini, click Image from the left side of the screen. Now, describe the image you want to generate. You can keep your prompt simple or add more details, such as colors, backgrounds, objects, or a specific style. For example, you could type, "Create a cartoon superhero flying through the sky." Once you've entered your prompt, click the Submit button and wait for Gemini to generate your image. Once the image is ready, click on it to open it. From here, you can download, copy, or share the image using the options in the top right corner. You can also make changes to the generated image. Simply go back to the conversation and describe what you want to change. For example, you could say, "Change the superhero's cape to green and make the sky nighttime." Then click Submit again, and Gemini will generate an updated version. You can continue making changes until you're happy with the result. And that's how you can create AI images in Google Gemini. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.